how to buy AVA token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I am not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going and buy this token, make sure to check the Leaks account and keep following their updates about this token. And after that, as you can see, this token is available on the screener. If you don't have an account on it, just go and create one. As you can see, the liquidity here are locked by 99%. That's made your investment in the safe place. And this token came under Solana network. Now copy the token address from here and open your Phantom wallet. Now click on swap, and now make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet and click here to paste the token address. As you can see, this is our token. Just click on it, and now here type how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds, and as you can see, this is how much you receive with the token. Now select the provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information. After that, click on swap, and you will be able to redirect it to Jupiter provider to be page to be able to buy this token. If you face any issues, just go back to this page and switch the slip patch from here or custom it, and you will be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy AVA token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in this video.